Welcome to International Black Sea University, where your future begins. As Georgia's first private English language university, IBSU offers a world-class education combined with an inspiring international community. IBSU is ranked as the leading Georgian university in international research, boasting 6 refereed scientific journals and 2 research centers. With 5 dynamic schools, including the prestigious School of Medicine, IBSU provides modern facilities such as cutting-edge laboratories, a clinical skills center equipped with the advanced simulation and mannequins, and highly qualified academic staff with global expertise. Students of IBSU benefit from a partnership with over 25 top hospitals across Georgia, where they begin their clinical courses starting in their 3rd year. The medical doctors program of IBSU is internationally and locally accredited, ensuring global recognition and career opportunities worldwide. Accreditations and recognitions include Georgia's National Center for Educational Quality Enhancement, World Federation for Medical Education (WFME), India's National Medical Commission (NMC), ECFMG sponsored note allowing IBSU graduates to pursue a medical career in the United States and Canada. Worldwide recognition including countries like India and Egypt. IBSU offers a multicultural environment and a vibrant range of activities for international students. This includes basketball, volleyball, football tournaments, cultural festivals, welcome parties, countrywide tours, and student life forums highlighting job opportunities. IBSU offers the most affordable tuition fees in Georgia and flexible admission procedures. At IBSU, you'll experience an innovative learning environment designed to unlock your potential and prepare you to success on a global stage. Join us at IBSU, where education meets opportunity. We can't wait to welcome you to our vibrant campus and help you to shape your dreams. See you soon.